Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by creating an account and retrieving your API key. Store it securely. Once you have the key, open the data catalog and pick the dataset by its resource ID so you know what fields and formats are available. Next, make a minimal test request using curl or postman with your key, resource ID, and a simple queue or filters parameter. This verifies credentials and basic access before you build queries. Now you assemble the request. Combine queue, filters, facets, limit, and offset to scope results precisely. Because datasets can be large, you must implement pagination using limit and offset, or iterate with cursors if supported. Test with small limits first. Also, include proper headers and observe rate limits. This prevents throttling. If you need libraries, use an SDK or HTTP client to manage retries and exponential backoff, so your integration behaves reliably under load. Finish by parsing responses into your app's data model and saving results to a database or cloud storage. Cache frequent queries to reduce API calls. Make sure to monitor usage and implement error handling for 4XX and 5XX codes, and version your query patterns so you can reproduce analyses later. If something breaks, log the entire request and response, retry the simplest query to isolate the issue. And if
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.